wondered why some websites rank on top of Google search result and while others are on page 10? It's not luck, it's SEO. And no, you don't need to be a genius to fix it. Today I am breaking down exactly how to optimize your site step by step, even if you are starting from zero. Let's get into it. Before we start, let's talk about what actually is on-page SEO. It's basically just making your website easy for Google to read. Think of it like this. SEO is the game and on-page SEO is how you prepare to win. It's all the stuff on your page, your words, your titles and your images that tells Google that this page is useful. The big 5 factors. There are many SEO rules, but these 5 are the ones that actually matters. Number 1. Keywords. These are the exact phrases people type into the search bar, like best gym near me. You have to use your keyword in your title, your headings and your main text. But don't spam the words 50 times. It's basically keyword stuffing. Number 2. The title tag. This is your first impression. If your title is boring, no one will click. For example, if the website is for gym, then the title should be something like Best Gym in Delhi, Affordable and Modern Equipments. Make it clear and catchy. Number 3. Headings. Your website is like a book. Your H1 is the book title, your H2s are your chapters and S3 are the subpoints. This helps Google scan your pages in seconds and make it readable. Number 4. Content. You need to understand that Google wants to help people. So, you have to ask yourself, does this page actually solve a problem for people? If yes, then write for those people first and search engine second. This will take you already halfway there. Number 5. Speed and mobile friendliness. If your site takes even 5 seconds to load, people are gone. To make it load fast, compress your images and make sure it looks good on phone as well. Most of your traffic is coming from small screen. Don't ignore them. Now, let's recap everything. You have to focus on your keywords, titles, headings, quality content and site speed. You don't have to do it all at once. Start small. Change one title today and then go on to optimizing the other things gradually. And you will start to see the result yourself. If this video made SEO feel a little less complicated, hit that like button. Drop a comment and let me know what part of your website you are working on next. I will see you in the next video.